Good morning, Hoover community. I'm Dr. Costa. This is the weekly bulletin for November 17th. Thank you so much for joining us. It's going to be a great week. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Lots of rain. I think we got some more rain coming today and tomorrow, maybe a little bit further into the week. Please wear the right clothes, jackets, umbrellas. Be careful with those umbrellas, boots. And again, thank you for joining us. It's going to be a great week. Let's get into our broadcast. Building Brilliance at Hoover on Fridays. Wear your college shirts. I think if you're wearing a college shirt on Friday, we're going to move you to the front of the lunch line. So those who participate in our Spirit Days get the lunch line advantage. Online application, let me get my image out of the way. High school is, your applications are due very soon. So if you have any questions, please check out the information we have here. And then please also check in with Mrs. Ruezga, our amazing counselor. Each high school has a site night where you could go to the high school and check out all the different programs that they have, so you are making a informed choice. We also encourage you to update your home address if it has changed, because this will impact your high school choice. Oops. And again, questions about the high school choice application process, please talk to Mrs. Ruezga. Your families can email her, or you can email her as well. Thank you, Mrs. Ruezga, for sharing all this information and visiting our 8th grade students. Attendance goals. Where's my picture? Congratulations to the 8th grade class. They won the attendance challenge. I believe their attendance was 97% or higher. So they had the highest attendance rate per grade level. So this week is Spirit Week for 8th graders. So again, congratulations, 8th graders. We are going to do another competition when we get back from fall recess, Thanksgiving break, and the grade level that has the highest attendance rate above 96% or higher, those first 2 weeks in December, we will have Spirit Week for that week before we go on winter recess for the grade level that has the highest attendance rate above 96%. So congratulations, 8th graders. Great job. 6th and 7th graders. We could do a little better. I know we can. Let's show up to school every day ready to learn. Important reminders. We did a great job with our history writing assessment. Students, please know that the teachers are working together collaboratively to assign more challenging and engaging tasks. That's our teacher focus. Our instructional leadership team focus is to create more challenging assignments to prepare you for more critical thinking tasks as you get older into high school and beyond. Safety to and from school. Please make sure you are paying attention to traffic. Please make sure you are respecting our neighbors and their property. Families, please do not park in our bus zones or double park in front of our neighbors' houses. We are an anti-bullying school. Please always show kindness and respect and look out for one another. Rule reminders, we're trying to grow back our grass. There was a lot of construction over the summer. There continues to be a lot of construction for the next year and a half, 2 years. Please stay off the wet grass. Help us out with the litter. Please put the trash in the trash cans. No glass bottles. We're doing a great job with our cell phones, so keep those cell phones on silence and put away. And a reminder about tardy sweets. This is our calendar for this week. Busy week. It is Spirit Week for 8th graders. Minimum Day Friday. So just pause here a little bit longer. Following week is a week off for fall break, Thanksgiving recess. Wellness lunch activities this week. We have a food drive going on. If you can participate, please help out. We have families in need in our community, and let's help out. Okay. All right, I've got some help here. Please always remember we build brilliance at Hoover Middle School. And lastly, scholars make dollars and a difference.
Welcome to Hoover. Good choices. Congratulations. Juliana Rivera from Mr. Crabtree and Miss Perez. Juliana has consistently represented herself in a respectful manner. She is eager, hardworking, and cares about her work. Juliana is an outstanding student who is always ready to learn the moment the bell rings, with her pencil and composition book out on her desk. She puts great effort and thoughtfulness to each and every one of her assignments.